Okay, children, now we are going to continue about the fourth standard present continuous tense, page number 118 about the grammar. Present continuous tense is used to describe the actions that are happening at the moment or speaking or unfinished actions. So this is page number 118. So this present continuous tense is used to describe the actions. Describe the actions that are happening at moment of speaking or unfinished actions. So present continuous என்னன்னா ஒரு ஆக்ஷன் ஒரு செய்கிற செயல் வந்து இட்ஸ் கோயிங் டு தட் ஆர் ஹேப்பனிங் அட் த மூமெண்ட் அந்த சமயத்தில் நடந்ததோ அல்லது ஸ்பீக்கிங் ஆர் அன்ஃபினிஷ்ட் actions. Okay, and now so in present tense, past tense, past participle. For example, in present tense, play, now you can say play, and plays also you can say. Okay, in past tense we can write played, we can write played. Then in past participle we can say that is also played. But in present continuous, we have to present participle, we have to add ing, that is playing. That is what you have to write, playing. Okay, children. So present tense la plays we can say, past tense la we can say played, and past participle also we can say played. So present participle playing. So the present participle form is used in the present continuous tense with the auxiliaries as am, is and are. So the am, is and are use பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும்னாக்கா, இப்போ I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. It's a sentence. So இதில் am வந்து I am playing. Or எப்போ வரும், we are playing cricket. We are playing cricket. அப்புறம் you are playing cricket. You are playing cricket. And they are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. ஓகே, ஆம் எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணணும், ஐ வந்தால் தான் ஐ ஆம் பிளேயிங் அங்கே மட்டும்தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். அண்டு ஆர் எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா வி யூ தே வந்தாக்கா வி ஆர் பிளேயிங், யூ ஆர் பிளேயிங், தே ஆர் பிளேயிங். இஸ் எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணணும், இ ஷி இட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். இ இஸ் பிளேயிங் கிரிக்கெட், இ இஸ் பிளேயிங் கிரிக்கெட், ஷி இஸ் பிளேயிங் கிரிக்கெட். So like this, he, she, it வரும்போது is வரணும். Can you understand, children? And it is playing. It is playing. Okay. So he, she, it வரும்போது is வரணும். we, you, they வரும்போது are வரணும். I வந்தால் am மட்டும்தான் வரணும். So like that, so many examples are there. You will see this now. So same page only. So they are given the sum of the exercises. So we will see these exercises one by one now. Same thing, 118. Okay, so now use watch in correct verb. Use watch. Watch in the verb. Watch in the word. You have to use incorrect verb. Correct verb form to complete sentences. So I am watching dash naka watching. I am watching TV. Okay, yeah. Then we dash the show. We vanda enna varum R varanum. We are watching. We are watching the show. Okay, yeah. Then you dash is dance. அப்போ யூ வந்தாலும் என்ன வரணும்? You have to write you are watching is dance. Can you understand, children? Okay, then he dash TV with his friend. He வந்திருக்கு இல்லையா, அப்போ என்ன வரணும்? He, she, it வந்தாக்கா you have to write he, she, it வந்தாக்கா is watching. இந்த watch யூஸ் பண்ணணும். எல்லாத்துக்குமே கண்டினியூஸில் ing ஆட் பண்ணு. He is watching TV with his friends. She dash her father cook. அப்போ she வந்தாலும் என்ன வரணும்? is தான் போடணும். அப்போ she is watch, நம்ம இந்த வேர்டு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ she is watching her father cook. Now it dash the sky. It வந்தாலும் is தான் வரும். ஸோ watch யூஸ் பண்ணணும். It is watching the sky. Okay, yeah. Then they dash the match. They dash the match. அப்போ என்ன வரணும்? They are. They வந்தா are வரணும். They are watching. They are watching the match. So like this they are given the exercises. Okay. In page number 119, let us see when to use the present continuous tense. இப்போ நம்ம present continuous tense எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Things that are happening now. So இப்போ நடக்கிற things that are happening now, we have to use the present continuous tense. She is speaking over phone now. They are watching TV. So present continuous எப்போ யூஸ் பண்ணால் present tenseல இப்போ நடக்கிறதுல என்ன? She is speaking, இப்போ பேசிக்கொண்டு இருக்கிறார். அப்போ she வந்தால் is வரணும். Speak ing. இப்போ அந்த திங்ஸ் வந்து இப்போ happening. So we have to write ing. Speaking அப்படின்னா speak வரும்போது speaking. They are watching. Watchingனா பார்க்குறாங்க. They are watching the TV. Fixed actions in the near future. She is going to Tiruchi on Saturday. Is going. Mary is going to a new school next term. Say what they are doing now. So இப்போ இங்கே பிக்சர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸ்கிப்பிங் பண்ணுறாங்க, சிங்கிங் அண்ட் வாக்கிங், and Peter வந்து playing and painting. So how to write this? She is skipping. She is page number. They are given the picture. So she is dash. First one is she dash. She dash. அப்போ அந்த பிக்சரில் she is skipping. Is skipping, that is happening now. And singing. Leela dash. Leela is singing. Third one. Nalini is walking. Okay. Then fourth one. Peter. Peter, அங்கே பிக்சர் இருக்குது. So Peter dash is playing. So present things happen நடக்கும்போது, ப்ரெசண்ட்டில் நடக்கும்போது you have to add this present continuous. He is painting. Okay. He is painting. So change the sentences into the present continuous tense. Now next one is next page. So can you understand student? Very easy only. Change the sentences. Change the sentence into present continuous. Present continuous tense. So they are given some of the blanks. Present continuous. Okay. I read the story. First one is I read the story. So இது வந்து present continuously change பண்ண. See the verb is here. Read. Okay. So read வரும்போது I வந்து am வரணும். So you can write I am reading. Present continuous செய்யும்போது read ஓட I am reading the story. So you have to write the answer like this. Fully you have to write. Second one. She plays the piano. She plays. இப்போ she வந்தால் என்ன வரணும்? Is வரணும். அப்போ answer is she is. Plays வந்தால் continuously playing. She is playing the piano. Okay. Then third one. Pinku works in a power plant. Pinku works in a power plant. So a positive name, Pinku is working. So Pinku is working. Is working. So he இல்லையா ஒரு boyோட name. So is working in a he she it வந்தால் is போடணும். Power plant. So Pinku is working in a power plant. Okay. Next. This is from page number 120. Continuous tense. Okay. Next fourth one வந்து Anandi helps her friend Janu. So Anandi, she is a girl இல்லையா? So Anandi is helping. Anandi is helping her friend Janu. They draw a picture of a boy. They draw picture of a boy. They are drawing. Answer is they are drawing. Picture of a boy. Okay. Of a boy. So they are drawing picture of a boy. Okay. So this is it. They change the sentences. Now the next one is complete the story using the present continuous tense. Here they are given the dialogue writing like this. Shaheen, hello Varun. Tell me Shaheen, so what are you doing? Up in our knowing it, this boy is studying this. They are given the picture. One picture is here. So from that picture they are given like a conversation and we have to complete the conversation because some of the conversations they didn't give. So we have to complete the conversation now. The same page. Complete the story using the present continuous tense. Complete the story using present continuous tense. Okay, Shaheen is telling, Shaheen, hello Varun. Hello Varun. Varun. Tell me Shaheen. What are you doing? Shaheen enna kekra? What are you doing? These are all the conversations. What are you doing here? The picture is Varun enna சொல்றான், I am dash கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. I am dash. அந்த pictureல Varun is studying. So you can write I am studying Varun Kanera. Then Shaheen, good. What is your daddy doing? Again, what Shaheen is telling? Good. What is daddy doing? Daddy doing. Varun. He is cutting the vegetable. He is cutting the vegetable. Again, Shaheen is asking, what your mom enna பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு your mom அப்படின்னு question கேட்குறான். Okay, yeah. What Varun is telling? She is cooking. So she vanda is. So cooking or action செய்யும்போது ing like this. You have to complete the conversation. Now, okay, that's all in this, children. So you can complete this. Here they are given the conversation in page number 121. Let us speak. A boy and a girl are talking about the holidays. Yeah, it's hey, there is no school from tomorrow. Yeah, it's a holiday. What are you going to do now? Going to do, the girl is asking. I will first finish my homework. Then I will play with my friends all day. I am sure we will race with our cycles and play kabaddi. What are you going to do? First we will go to our village. Wow, how will you go? We will go by train. What else will you do? Next we will visit our temple there and come back. I am waiting to meet all my relatives there. What about your homework? I will come back and do it in the morning. Make sure you have time to finish it. Sure, we'll see you after the holidays. See you. Like this, a conversation is going on between the boy and a girl. Okay. So here in down also they are given the conversation. Where are you going? What are you going to do? What will you do after that? What will you do before that? Like that they are asking. Okay, yeah. When will you come? How will you reach there? How long does it take to reach there? This is the type of the conversation between you and your friends you can talk. I am go to my native place. I will travel by bus. It takes 6 hours to reach. First I will finish my homework. Then I will play with my friends all day. I will also play kabaddi. So like that you can complete this conversation. So like this the conversation is going on. So complete these conversations and present continuous tense. Here they are given the past participle, they are finished, and things that are happening only we are lighting the present continuous. Here she is speaking. She vanda is varna speaking over phone. Now these are the examples. Okay, so he is speaking, she vanda is speaking. They vanda enna varna sonna, they are watching TV. They are watching TV. Then she is going. She vanda is varno, she is going to Tiruchi. Okay, yeah. Next, Mary is a girl name. So she vanda da is ponnulla or girl name vanda is going to a new school. Okay, so girl name varumbodhu is going. யூ வி தே வந்தாக்கா ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஐ வந்தாக்கா ஆம் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஐ வந்தால் ஆம், தென் வி யூ அண்ட் தே வந்தாக்கா what we have to use ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். தென் he she and it வந்தாக்கா we have to use yes. So this you can remember this for the present continuous tenses. Okay, so that's all in this lesson, children. So go through this. We will see it in the next class. Thank you.